Hi guys. So welcome to our next tutorial on Jetpack Compose. Now here we'll create a first project on Jetpack Compose. So for that here, whatever the Android Studio we created for the regular development, that is suitable, that is good enough for this. So from here now, I'm creating one new project. So click on new. So from here, as of now, like normal for Android other project or normal create, here we are selecting empty result. But here for this Jetpack Compose, you can select this empty activity. So once you click on this empty activity, here now you can give that name of the project. Now I'm giving that name as the Jetpack first. So Jetpack first project we are creating. So I created as Jetpack. So this package name and the save location, it has handle common. So now it is with the Kotlin only, right? So Kotlin. Now click on finish. So once we click on finish here, now the project will be created here. So in this, the project structure we will select here. This is the, like almost it is the same structure, whatever we created in another Kotlin file. So but here the small changes will occur. So those are like here that we can say simple like res folder. In res folder, layout file could not be available. Except that layout file, remaining all should be available here. Right. So just still this project is creating. Once this project, meanwhile, I'll open that my mobile. So we will run this another mobile. So we'll see what the basic project is created and what are the things it will be there on that. So that we will observe this. So normally, in case if we create a their project, it will open the default one XML and one Kotlin file, right? But here now, it cannot open that file directly. It can open the only that direct this KT file only. So the KT file will contains here that both UI as well as that logic, everything in this. Now the default it will create with one text view. So that text view, like there also it will create a text view, right? Similar here also, it has created some text view. So that how the text view will be added here. Now we will see that. So before that, just this it is taking little bit time to create a project. We'll wait for few seconds. So the once the project will create, once this project has created, then we will run simultaneously. While running that, we will discuss about the project structure. So in this also, like here, Kotlin Kotlin code style, almost it is same. Like first it is the package name, then followed by imports. After that, the main class. The class is here. So there it will be extended as a app compact activity, but here it is a component activity. So on that component activity, the first method, which is onCreate method, is also common here, right? So onCreate method is common. After the onCreate method here, now what is the next step? So that we have to see here this. Just a minute. So after that, here it is also same, enable edge to edge. There also it is there, enable edge to edge. Here also same. So that set content view. Here we are using that set content view. Here set content. So here we are creating the Jetpack first. Jetpack first is our project name. So for that we are creating the theme. So the theme, here the theme always it should be in a scaffold. In a scaffold we'll update this. So that is using modifier. So here we are filling the fill max size, means 100% like parent, it's the by parent. Then inner padding, we are giving some padding. Then we are giving the greeting, that is a name on Android, and a modifier that padding. So here we are giving an in padding. Then this is compose. Here, whatever the greeting we are created, with that greeting here, it will be composable extend. We are extending that composable here. Means we are creating another class, that is a function we are creating greeting. So that is a name. So name string modifier. So whatever the string here we are giving. For that text, we are aligning the text here. Text hello. Hello dot whatever this name here, whatever the name it will come. So both are here. We are concatenating here this. So that will be created here. So that is the preview method. That is composable greeting preview. So this will be the preview. It will create a preview. After that, Android meeting, that will be the create both. It will combination of both. The output will come out. So that we will run here. Almost it is project has created here. We'll run and we go back to the next step. Yeah. So here my device is connected. Now I'm running this. So while running this, now if you observe the package here, the project structure, see, manifest file, it is common. After that, Kotlin here, the package name, and within a package name, this is here. Now within a this, now this colors, themes, and here extra it will be created here. So this is the main activity here, it is created. Then RES, in RES, the drawable folder will be there, map, values, XML, all the folders are there except that layout folder, remaining all the folders could be there here. And if you comes into the Gradle scripts, so the Gradle script structure also it is the same. Only like instead of XML, whatever the code will write, that we will write in a Kotlin file itself. So that is the meaning of this. Now that it is running here, now we will see this output. So once we will see this output, then we can add one by one components into this. In the next tutorials, we will add one by one, like first text view button, how we discussed on a Kotlin. That similar way we will discuss here. One text view and Kotlin, one click on that text view here. I want to change something. So that kind of all the examples here, one by one, we will discuss here on this. Right, just it is running. Wait a minute, it will run. So once it is done, we will see this output here now. Yeah, almost it is done. Yeah, updating indexes. Yeah, almost it is done. Just it is taking a little bit time. Wait. Yeah. Just wait. Almost it is done. Till it is taking a little bit time. So any project like for the first time, login will take a little bit time, right? So that's why it is taking a little bit time. So it almost it is launched. Wait till it is taking too much of time to launch this. We'll wait another minute to launch this. That is taking too much of time to launch. Wait, wait. So here now, like let us say from next tutorial onwards, like one by one components like text view button, checkbox, radio button, like one by one, all the codes one by one we'll discuss. Yeah, it is updating, I think. Sometimes the Gradle will take a little bit longer time to update if any new things will be there on that. So the new version related updates like that also it will take a huge time. Okay, I think in this also, this one like Gradle, it is supporting that Gradle build 35. Here in a builder Gradle, you have to update here 35. So here you need to open that builder Gradle, that is a module level, app level. So that you have to update as to 35, then only it will run, because the latest versions as expecting that Android Studio is supporting that latest version of this Android. So always you should click on that, means you have to change this version 35, then only it will be updated. Like if in case if you are in a latest version of Android Studio, this won't come, this won't ask that. So in older version of Android, because of that my some of other project dependency, I not updated this Android Studio, but in case if we update like that, it will show that. So now here we will see. It is, yeah, now I'm running this. So now almost it is done. Now it will launch. It won't take much time now, because already the previous Gradle dependency, everything has launched, right? So now it won't take that much time. It will launch immediately. Yeah. So yeah, it is launching. Now we can see here. So it is launching. Yeah, so it is launched now. Now here you can see hello world. Like this, it will be disabled. So from here now, the next component we'll see next tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.